Welcome to Broomfield Taichi Chuan. In today's video, let's cultivate powerful energy. In Tai Chi practice, we move internal energy through the body to cultivate internal energy for health and longevity. There are certain places and certain times when you can feel strong energy. Today, I'm practicing in a tropical environment in the morning, and I feel good, strong energy. So let's begin by bringing the feet to shoulder width, knees slightly bent, and shoulders relaxed. Take a nice deep breath. Bring your hands to your center and feel good, strong energy in the center of your body. Let's go into a horse stance. We're going to begin with the Yin-Yang hands practice. Bring your hands to hold the ball position. Open your hands and extend your fingers all the way out and feel the surrounding energy. Then bring your hands back to your center. Good. Feel good, strong energy. Open. And close. Open. Extend your fingers all the way out. Feel the surrounding energy. And now bring them back together. Open. And close. Feel good energy at your center. One more time. Open. And feel good energy come back into the center of your body. Good. Now let's do a Tai Chi practice. We're going to do single whip into wave hands like clouds. We begin with our weight on our right leg and our left palm facing in. We're going to step out with your left heel and now rotate the left hand out into single whip. Then we transition into wave hands like clouds. Left palm in, right palm down. Hands change. Right palm in, left palm down. Step out. And one more single whip. Step out with your left heel. Rotate your left hand out. Good. Let's practice that one more time. Feel good, strong energy in your center. Single whip, step, rotate out. Connect with the ground and feel the surrounding environment. Wave hands like clouds. And one more single whip. Good. Bring good, strong energy into your center. One more nice deep breath. Very good. That was cultivating powerful energy. Subscribe to my channel to watch more Tai Chi videos. Keep practicing. Stay healthy. Stay strong.